Hey everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and I just wanted to make a little follow-up video on this amazing idea by Elon Musk. And you see some images from his presentation, especially about the going 3D, that the system basically is like, think about straws that going to the same direction. And this idea of creating almost no practical limit for the number of tunnels that can help move a massive amount of people into through tunnels and into city centers like LA, New York, Chicago, and on, like you see in the picture. Tunnels that are almost like fit only one car at a time, that can go fast. Look how fast it goes. Go fast, like 150 miles an hour or so, and go through the crucial 2 or 3 miles between the outside of the city into the city centers. Which, if you think about it, most cities are not big in terms of square feet. Manhattan, from side to side, is very small. But to get into it, it's so incredibly difficult. And to go in with your car, your electric car, obviously, and to be lowered and then raised when you finish the journey is a magnificent idea of Elon Musk, and the whole technique that he is employing in digging those holes, those, I call them straw holes, and the efficiency and the cost, the difference in cost that private cars and public transportation which can go in these tunnels, these one-lane tunnels, some going one way, some going the other way, can absolutely revolutionize the idea. Now, as we all know, and especially those who live near big cities like I am, know how expensive and how time consuming it takes to build a tunnel for cars or rail or whatever. I mean, they talk about improving the Lincoln tunnels or building another tunnels from New York to New Jersey for the past 25 years or so. And this idea and these techniques that will be the fraction of the cost, really the fraction of the cost of regular traditional tunnels that are built today, or rail that is built today, can be an amazing thing. That basically the car goes down, it gets latched, and it goes straight into the city. And Elon Musk, I signed obviously a deal a few months ago to do it in Chicago, between downtown Chicago and O'Hare International Airport. That would be a great idea. But just the idea of streaming people, really streaming people in those straw-like tunnels in and out from mega cities, can be an incredible improvement of the technology that is extremely safe. There's no emission, street and tunnel capabilities, individualized vehicle allowed to participate, and a door-to-door, really door-to-door express service, like he's explaining. Basically, you come in from the suburb, you lower down, and you get shut in, literally, almost. So that is the genius of this plan, and I really hope it will work. Let me know what you think, guys. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.